Look what I found in my barn, this vintage kitchen scale. Let's check it out. Oh, skis. Nice. What's this? It looks like some old bread that has been here for decades. Definitely not edible anymore. We stand a lot of mess. Looks nice. Looks like a Norwegian waffle iron. If it's Norwegian, I think it is. That looks like a weighing scale. Might still work. Maybe I can clean that one up and try it out. Let's take this one. Look what I also found. An old cast iron pan. Frying pan. I'm gonna clean that one up in another video. That's also nice. A nice oven. Or I think it's for ashes or something. Maybe just a ashtray. Oven sounds nicer. Now this one I have to clean that one up. Looks like it's in German. Although the text here says in Norwegian. The brand, if I can read it correctly, looks like something Bauer Vos maybe. And here it says illegal to use with selling and buying. So I think it's not for commercial use. Looks pretty dirty, hasn't been used for a while. I'm gonna use rustlösner. That's rust remover in English, I think. And I usually use that for cleaning up metal things, and most of it is metal. But I'm gonna watch out for the brand name. Maybe I think it's sticky, maybe it comes off. But here, you can see it becomes very clean, very fast. As you see, there's not so much rust. Somewhat paint have come off. See, it's pretty dusty. Looks like everything works. I think this is for a locking mechanism. We'll look at that later. How old do you think is this? I have no idea, but what do you guys think? I'm not gonna break the thing before I'm finished with it. I'm going to take it in and then I'm gonna try out how it works. After some research on the internet, I found out the name is not Bauer Vos, but Baufa. It's made in Germany in the 1920s. So this thing is more than 100 years old. 102 actually. And I'm gonna try if it still works. After I cleaned it up and I checked it out, it seems like everything is still working. As you can see. Oh, so the weight is on the full. So the first thing I have to do is I have to calibrate it. What you do with these two sliders. So the first slider I will be moving this way. And on off yet. And now it starts. Till these 2 points are exactly on the just place. A little bit more. Still a little bit more. A little bit more. You can see now they're nice lined up. If the weight of the box or the plate is too heavy, you can still use this one to adjust even more. If you, just to show you, if you adjust this one, it will fall over. So now it's adjusted. It stands on what I would say 0. Let me call it the scale is calibrated. Now, just to show you how it works, I use a bag of flour. It's exactly 1 kilo. Test it. You can see it comes up, so I would have to adjust the bottom one to start with. Now I know it's 1 kilo, so here these ones are kilos. A half kilo isn't enough, 1 kilo, and we get some movement. I'm gonna wait till it stands still. As you see, it's still over it. So 1 kilo, it weighs a little bit more. I think it's the packaging. So then we have to adjust this one for the grams. Still not enough. A little bit more. You see, starts lining up pretty nice right there. And then if you read it here on the scale, it says 1 kilo and about 20 grams. So 5 grams per line, so it's between 20 and 25 grams, somewhere in between there. Now of course, to check out if it's really working, I have to get a more modern weighing scale, the one everyone has in their kitchen. So let's see if it's really working. First thing I do is I'm gonna put this one on top of here, fits nice. Now, as you remember, I have to calibrate it again. I put this one on 0, one back. Of course, this is more heavy. Not heavy enough. Now comes this little one in play. Too much. Still too much. So it's fine adjusting here. So see, it's nice lined up now. I'm gonna put this one on top. As you see there, it says 1020 grams exactly. I'm gonna adjust this one again to the kilo. Still not exact, so I have to adjust this one. And let's start with 1020. And as you can see, here, perfectly correct. So I would say the weighing scale still works perfectly. After being in a barn for probably, I don't know how long they used it, so probably for 80 years, 60 years maybe, still works. Don't know if I leave this one in the barn, it will still work after 60 years, but this one does. There we go. And if you don't use it, and this one of course falls off, then I'd have to put a kilo on back also. Just knows a bit more. Falls off, but then the spring inside goes broken. So they invented this nice hook here, where I can hook it on, and then it stays in the position it has to be. No problem at all.